Okay, good afternoon. I'm not going to dwell very much on the two subjects, about the concepts or the principles of biology and agriculture, but I'm also going to highlight a few issues, which, if we combine them, then we shall do well in all the other subjects. I have the following points. One is your handwriting. Handwriting. Some of us are writing in a handwriting which you cannot read. Those teachers who are examiners, Mr. Zwile, Madam Munyoki, and others, they know something referred to as the halo effect, where the examiner will look at your handwriting like this, although he or she is supposed to mark to string, but because the time is limited and he doesn't want to waste time, he just go on jumping what? The pen, putting crosses. You might have a substance in the handwriting, but nothing. So we have to train ourselves in how to write. We have very good students here, okay? But they mix the what? The letters. If you want to improve your handwriting, don't join them, okay? Then we'll be able to read. That is one very important issue. Secondly, most of us here think that when we talk of facilities, the school facilities, we think of the dormitories, the dining hall, the classrooms, the lab, and all that. The most important facility are the gentlemen and the ladies in front of you. Facility number one, okay? Facility number one. So because they are facility number one, you will not consult them. You will not consult them. You will just be like those classrooms there. Like I said, we rarely go there. What for, is it? But these are very, very important facilities in our life. The other time, you were asked by the principal, why do you fail in biology? We had a chorus. It is very hard. Is it? Who said so? And when you came to this school, from one, you were told that biology is derived from two Latin words. And at the end of the day, you are told that we use Latin language because it is understandable throughout the world. And then you start saying those names. Okay? There's no way you'll be taught to explain what is Clostridium botulinum. How does it come by you? Okay? Clostridium what? But you'll be asked, which is the bacteria which causes this disease? Sasa, very simple. But when you hear of spermatophyta nini, unasema mtaambiwa hakuna. So that attitude of biology is hard because of the names. Is my name hard? Is Mr. Mtoga hard? Why can't you come to me? I expect you to come. Okay? But most of us are also enclosed by lies. You are not real. Jacob, you are not what? Real. We discuss something, and then we say that tomorrow, mwalimu ndakuja kukuona, nielewe. Okay? Then I wait. I don't see anybody. Then next day I ask. Then I'm given more lies. That when I was about to come and see you, I saw you get in the car and go. Or I came to the staff room, nobody would tell me where you were. Lies. Blatant lies. So we avoid that. This second time, we must be what? Real. Some of you, when we are discussing with their parents, they just wish them away. I'll be consulting. So can I get the telephone number of the teacher? Yes. So that I'll be calling to know whether you are doing it. I don't want to mention any names because I don't mention names at daytime. We have some of you who cheated their parents that they'll be doing. And because I don't like lying, I tell the parents what? Where your mom. I've never seen that son or daughter of yours. Okay? So we discussed very much on consultation. No officer has not talked about it here. So you mind that. The other one is cleanliness. Cleanliness, I tend to think we say it's second to godliness, is it? Yes. And it builds what? Confidence. Why these students don't consult. This person doesn't have the record of when lastly he or she changed the innerwears, when he last left, yes, and brushed what? The teeth. So if this person, the mouth is feeling like the pit latrine, number two, the socks like a rotten dog, you expect him or her to come? No. A very small thing. Maybe we might not address that one, but it is very important. So we are grown. And we have plenty of water in this school, which is unlimited, is it?
Yes.
Just carrying your bucket, then you 5 minutes, and then you build your confidence. Then we have time management, although that one is always talked about, but we don't adhere to it. Okay? You see somebody running up and down. You get class, you find the master is revising on biology. Then because you are doing something similar to CRE, you run back to get a book. You do like the master. So you go up and down doing nothing, then you waste a lot of time. You remember very well that if you don't manage time properly, it will manage you. You don't have time here. For example, when we have the literature books, and the passive books, unless you discuss, and the discussion is between that period. During break time, after you take your coffee, and lunch time, and after what? After 4. Okay? We are going to discuss this book, this chapter. Okay? I did my KCPE very many years back, not even in this system. And I remember a book, Masaibu Yaduku. Okay? And I remember the first, and that was 1980. Up to today, I can remember. Mimi Wanguzi. Wanguzi was Sarikana Nayo, Wanguzi. I can remember. How many years? Because I read that book more than 5 what? times. Okay? So, mind about that. That discussion, and especially in literature and physics, all these questions, and Madam Nyoki, you will bear me witness, we don't have new questions. They are just the old questions which are done what? Repeated, but just slightly what? Twisted. Okay? Because betrothal in the city will be betrothal in what? Domsitsky will be? Yes, the mayor the same. Okay? So you get very many past papers, then you form a group. Okay? People form groups because they are of the same what? Why do you have a friend? You don't just go picking anybody. Every dictator hurry. There is that common bond. Okay? So you decide. But that person who will sit there during supper, because we have rice, India put the oil and give on the serve so that the cooks can add him more of that starch, which is not helping you. You can imagine a form for wasting time. Our mission. Can you see a change? Then we are using revision books instead of the course books. So we are lacking content. We are not mastering it. For example, you may be told to describe how photosynthesis takes place. Then somebody says that we have water, we have carbon dioxide, and that is not what hydrolysis or those terms, okay, mean. So let us first master the content, then we use the revision books later, either after we are through with the syllabus. Then in everything you do, you put God what?
First.
Yes, I raise my case.